take screenshot, go back, scroll up, go back. As you can see on this phone, in the Galaxy M34 5G, we can actually navigate with our voice. You can even send messages by using this feature. And where is located? Just take a look. You will have to go into the accessibility. Now go into the installed apps and go into the voice access. Now to turn it on, you have to click on this switcher, and you can also get the voice access shortcut. Now I'm gonna actually turn it off, and I'm gonna show you the settings. So that's really interesting because right here we can find all voice command list. You can actually use the magnification. You can actually edit text. That's actually crazy. Take a look how many voice commands we can use. If you learn all of them, you will be like definitely master of this feature. That's also the grid selection and the gestures, so we can navigate with the phone. And at the end we get the basics and the navigation. So that's all of them. You can make calls, you can hide or show keyboard, you can lock screen. So yeah, that's actually crazy function that probably a lot of you missed that is on the phone. The next will be also really useful and hidden for someone who likes to listen music songs with your loudspeaker. So it's located in the sound settings. Next, go to the volume and tap on the right upper corner and the three dots. Then go to the media volume limit, and as you can see, when you turn it on, you can actually increase the maximum volume on your Galaxy M34 5G. The next one will be also into the music, so it's actually located in the sound quality and effects, and in this phone you can actually find the sound equalizer. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 presets, and also the custom one that you can actually set up to your own preferences. Next, let's move back and open the notifications, because right there we can also find two very useful options. When you go into the notification pop-up style, you can go to color by keyword, and now when you input right here any keyword and link color to this keyword, like in my case it's set up the money and the green color. So right now if I receive any notification with the money keyword, this notification will turn green. You can actually add a lot of different notifications just right here and change color and customize them to your own preferences. Next, we will also stay in the notifications because we can find the edge lighting style, and right here you can actually lights up your screen when you receive any notification, and you can find few different presets. Right now we can find the preview on your screen, how it looks. My favorite is definitely spotlight and the echo, and from here we can also go into the color, pick the color and go for the advanced to set the transparency and the duration of this function. And next, what you probably spot, that's the default, custom keyboard theme. So as you know, when you try to change the keyboard theme on this phone, you can for example go into this keyboard settings. Now when you open the keyboard theme, you can actually pick this 4 themes. So we can go the dark, light, or get the custom one. And how to get it? That's quite simple. You will have to go into the themes, and from here just download any theme that you want. So if I want to get, for example, this one, I have to open it and then check if there is custom wallpaper, the custom keyboard theme. As you can see, there it is. Actually, we can get this cool theme on our keyboard. Now I'm going to show you how you can customize your lock screen, because there are some useful features. When you go into the settings and go to the lock screen, you can actually click on it and take a look how many options we can change. So first we can customize these widgets that appears. We can take them off by going for the no application, but also we can add the custom one like the flashlight or for example the voice recorder, so you will get the quick access to these functions. Next, you can also add the custom text or for example add the contact information. Also, we can change the theme of this clock. the theme, the size, and also the color, but also we can get rid of it. So we can decide, and we can also adjust the notifications on the lock screen. So you can go for the details notifications for the icon only, or for example get rid of all of them. And when you are on the lock screen, you can actually get the widgets. Okay, it's not working properly. Let me just go back for the lock screen, go into the widgets. Okay, we have to get back the clock. So when we are using clock, we can actually use the widgets, and it looks like this. That when you click on it, we'll find some widgets. It looks really close to the iOS. So you can actually get the voice recorder, some kind of the routines, alarms. You can control music, and for sure you can customize them by going into the settings. So here we can adjust the widgets on the lock screen. And now we are going to move into the camera, because in this phone you can actually take the photo with the full resolution with the 50 megapixel mode when you tap on the aspect ratio when you are in the photo mode. Wait a minute for this notification. Now we can select the 50 megapixel mode, and when you take the photo, you'll basically get better quality on your photos. And the last option, it appears on the left upper corner. As you can see here, I can find the speed information of my network. Take a look. As you can see, it is changing and showing us the current speed. So that's actually not the default option in this phone, but you can get it by going into the Play Store. So when you open the Play Store like this and get the net speed application, this one actually, you will be able to display this network speed. And yeah, that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.